Hello guys, I got a lovely comment from Amin Top Fitness. Hi English, thank you so much master. My girlfriend had gone to our hometown. I want to express my feelings to her in Manipuri. How much I love her. I would be really very happy to watch a video of yours on this topic. Yes, here are 12 love messages you can send or say to her. There are thousands of yesterdays and billions of tomorrows, but there is only one today, and I will spend it to love you. Ngarang lishing lay, hayengsu billion lay, adubu, ngasidi, amakhak aduna ngasise, nungshiraga lellage. Darling, you are my beautiful world. Without you, my life would be incomplete. Darling, nngse, eigi nungshiraba sangsarni. Nang yaudradi, eigi punsise, complete oiroi. Complete ID, loiba nairoi, apunba mo oiroi habduniko. I never believed in true love until I met you. Nang thengnaba mikuptugi mamangda asengba nungshiba lay haibase ay thajaramde. You have been my most precious gift I have ever received. Aina phangjakibada nangse khwaidagi top topa maman yamlaba khudolni. Having you as my love is like a dream. Nngse eigi nungshibi natra nungshiba oina leijabase manglanga chap mannei. I don't want you to be my favorite. I want to be your one and only. Ay nanggi khwaidagi pamjaba oiningde. Ay nanggi amatta suntagi amatta oiningi. I am madly in love with your gentle smile. Ay nanggi inglaba nokhi toubaduga ngaomei nungshire or nungshinare. Words cannot express how happy I am when I am with you. Nanga punna laibakanda ay kayam harauge haibase wahaina phongdokpa ngamde. Words cannot express how happy I am when I am with you. Loving you is like an addiction to me. Nungshibase eingondadi addiction ga chap mannei. Addict chubdo. Loving you is like an addiction to me. You are my only desire. Eigi apambase khaktani. You are my only desire. My world is dreamlike, and all I dream is of you. Eigi sangsarse manglanga chap mannei. Aduga aina mangise nngni. Your eyes pick up the love you have for me. Nanggi mittuna nangna eigi nungshiba laibado phongdoi. Your eyes pick up the love you have for me. That's all guys for today. I hope you really enjoyed the lesson. Please do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.